Good morning, dear class 3 students. Welcome to science classes, children. Today we will start lesson 14, Our Earth, from your science textbook, page number 88. Children, please open the page number 88 and follow me. The name of the lesson is Our Earth, O-U-R-R-E-A-R-T-H, Earth. It means in Hindi, अपना पृथ्वी भूमि. Okay, so children, what do you know about our earth? Children, our earth is a beautiful place, isn't it? And we all live on the earth. It is the home of all living things, right? And also the earth is in round shape. It is made up of land and water. At the same time, it is one part of land and 3 parts water. Okay, the earth has thick layer of air all around it. Okay, that is why it looks blue from space. Okay, this is all about earth. And children, as usual, this lesson also starts with a beautiful conversation which is happening between 2 children. They are Rahul and Rohan. So, and children, in this lesson, we are going to learn the main learning points are solar system. Okay, we are going to explore about the solar system and shape of the earth. Okay, shape of the earth, and at the same time, movements of the earth. Understand? Different movements of the earth. Understand, children? So, let us start the conversation part first. Let us read the conversation. Rahul says, today my teacher told us that the earth, our mother planet, it is round in shape, but I don't understand how so many people can stand on a round object. Why aren't they falling down? Children, each and every kid, हर छोटे बच्चों का दिमाग में यही क्वेश्चन घूमता रहता है. What is that question? How many people can stand on a round object? Here, Rahul पूछ रहा है कि today my teacher told us that the earth के बारे में टीचर बताई कि it is our mother planet. Okay, ये हम लोग का mother planet है, क्योंकि children धरती को हम लोग mother से compare करते हैं, because children we all are living on the earth. Okay, earth is providing so many things. It is providing greenery, okay, water bodies, landforms, food, air, okay, everything. That is why we call our earth as our mother planet. And it is round in shape. Earth round रहती है. But I don't understand how so many people can stand on a round object. राहुल को बहुत बड़ा उसका दिमाग को खा रही है एक क्वेश्चन. What is that? How can so many people stand on a round object? अर्थ गोल गोल होती है, उसके ऊपर ढेर सारे लोग कैसा खड़े हो सकते हैं? Why aren't they falling down? वो लोग क्यों नहीं गिर जाते हैं? Then his friend Rohan replies, "Oh Rahul, you have such a funny imagination. People cannot fall down because the earth is too big in size." Then राहुल का क्वेश्चन के लिए रोहन उसको समझा रहा था कि हे राहुल, तुम कैसे इमेजिन करते हो? इमेजिनेशन मीन्स फैंटेसी, जो एक्चुअली में नहीं होता है उसको होने जैसा सोचना. ओके, तुम कैसा सोचते हो? बहुत फनीली मीन्स बहुत मजाक इमेजिनेशन से तुम्हारा. पीपल कैनॉट फॉल डाउन बिकॉज द अर्थ इज टू बिग इन साइज. पीपल अर्थ के ऊपर खड़े होने पर गिरते नहीं है, क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा साइज में है. देन अगेन राहुल आस्क्स, yesterday my uncle called from USA in the night. कल रात को मेरा अंकल यूएसए से कॉल किए थे. He said that he was calling from his office as it was daytime there. मेरे अंकल बोल रहे थे कि वे अपने ऑफिस से कॉल किए थे एंड उस समय वहाँ डे टाइम था. How was it so? ऐसा कैसा था? ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? इसको बहुत ढेर सारे डाउट्स होने लगा, राहुल का दिमाग में आने लगा. Then Rohan replies, "Go and bring a globe. जाओ जाके एक ग्लोब लेके आना. I shall explain everything about the earth to you. मैं तुमको अर्थ के बारे में हर एक चीज एक्सप्लेन करूंगा." So children, there are numerous things in our solar system. So now Rohan starts explaining, Rohan started to explain there are numerous things in our solar system. अपना solar system में numerous means number of things रहते हैं. Okay, different heavenly bodies. In the previous lesson, we have already discussed about this. Okay, numerous things means like stars, sun, moon, planets, satellites. Okay, so many things रहते हैं. And what is solar system, children? Let us read. The earth is just like a tiny ball among such countless balls scattered in the sky. ऐसा sky में, space में scatter किया गया, फैला हुआ countless balls में earth एक round shaped ball है. Understand children? एक tiny means बहुत छोटा सा एक ball है. The sun and the 8 planets that move around it form the solar system. Okay, this is sun. All these are different planets. Okay, sun के साथ जो भी 8 planets उसके चारों ओर घूमते रहते हैं, वो सब मिलकर सोलर सिस्टम को फॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, इस प्रकार रोहन राहुल को समझाने लगा. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टुडे you all will read this conversation part and understand it. Okay, thank you.